Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global World Computer. If you are preparing for interview in SQL or data analytics, then today's video is going to be super helpful for you. We are going to cover the top 10 most asked MySQL interview questions with answers in a very simple and clear way. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are also preparing for interview. And yes, this video is also a part of data analytics series where I am covering SQL step by step. So make sure you check out the complete playlist. So your first question is, what is SQL? So your answer is SQL stand for Structure Query Language used to manage and query relational database. Your next question is what is difference between where and having clause? So your answer is where clause it is used to filter records before grouping and aggregations. Second, having it is used to filter records after grouping and aggregations. Your next question is how to find the second highest salary in a company. So your answer is select max. Max is an aggregate function, salary is a column name. From employees, employees is a table name. Where salary less than equals to select queries. Your next question is what is difference between inner join and left join? So your answer is inner join return only matching rows between two tables and left join return all row from left table plus match row from right table. Your next question is how to find duplicate record in a table. So your answer is select name, comma, count. Count is a aggregate function and star. Star is also considered for all data as count. As is a alias name, a nickname. So as count CNT from employees group by name having count star greater than equal to 1. So your next question is how do you find employees who join in the last 30 days? So your answer is select star from employees where joining date greater than equals to current date minus interval 30 day. Next question is what is difference between delete, truncate and drop? So your answer is delete remove specific row, truncate removes all rows, drop removes table structure permanently. So your next question is what is a window function? Your answer is window functions allow calculations across row without collapsing them, unlike group by. Next question is how to calculate a running total of cells. So your answer is select order ID, comma, amount, comma, sum. Sum is a amount, over, over is a window function key. Order by order ID as running total. Running total is a license name from orders. Your next question is how to find the top three products by sales in each categories. So your answer is select category product sales from select category product sales. Rank over partition by category order by sales and descending as rank from products where rank is less than equals to 33. Best of luck for your interview.